Hi student, that is ninth class mathematics class. We are going to chapter number 6, exercise 6.1. So, chapter number 6, exercise 6.1. We are taking some questions. We are taking question number 11. F O B A and C E. We are taking in the figure OE bisect AOB. OE bisect OAB, it means this becomes equal to x and x. And O is the ray opposite to OA. This is the opposite rays. So that to prove FOB, these angles becomes equal to FOE, these angles. So we write down, we know that proof FOE is a straight line, and we let this angle becomes equal to y and this also equal to y here. So x plus y equal to 180 degree. Straight angle, and also we are taking z. So find out value of y equal to 180 degree minus x, equation first, and z plus x also equal to 180 degree. Straight angle. So z equal to 180 degree minus x. We are taking equation second from 1 and 2. Y equal to z. Y we are taking FOB, and z we are considered FOA. Hence proved. So student, looking, we are given x and m. These are the bisect each other. We are taking a straight line. So this additions become equal to 180 degree. Also we call the straight angle. Also addition of z plus x, 180 degree, we find the value of y and z becomes equal 180 minus x and 180 minus x. So both are equal. We write down here, and hence proved this question. We are taking question number 12. In a given figure, that is C, A and B, and these two bisect of this angle, be the ray this by F, and bisect of this angle be the ray, that is E. So given that x, x and y, y, to prove, so that AOB in a line, to prove AOB is a straight line. Also we given that OE bisect AOC, OF bisects COB, and OE perpendicular on OF. So OC, CO perpendicular on OE, we are not given here, OE perpendicular on OF. It means x plus y equal to 90 degree given, and we multiply by 2 both sides, 2 x plus y and 2 into 90 degree. So 2x plus 2y equal to 180 degree, and this also be written as x plus x, and 2y can be written as y plus y equal to 180 degree. So this written as x plus y plus x plus y equal to 180 degree. So we are write down here x plus y and x plus y. So this becomes the angle of AO, angle AOC plus angle COB equal to 180 degree. So AOB is a straight line. So students, hence proved. Next question. AOC OB right angles. Question number 13. We given that two right angles and prove that BOC is a line. That is BOC is a line. Also A. Given that. Given AOB and BOC. AOC. Be two right angle, so equal to 90 degree. To prove BOC is a straight line, it means we are looking here AOB plus proof AOC. This becomes equal to 90 plus 90 equal to 180 degree. So BOC is a straight line, hence proved. At last we given some homework. Student, try to question number 14, 15, 16 and 17. Try these 4 questions. If any problem, you contact me. That is my today's topic. Thanks a lot.